Welcome to the official ZenERP channel. Today, we're exploring how ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, is changing the way Ethiopian businesses run, and how ZenERP's own ERP platform, ZenERP, is empowering organizations to work smarter, faster, and better. ERP is a centralized system that integrates all your core business processes: finance, HR, payroll, inventory, procurement, and more. Instead of juggling multiple software or spreadsheets, ERP connects everything in one place, giving you real-time visibility and control. Without ERP, businesses face challenges like data scattered across departments, payroll mistakes, delayed decision-making, high operational costs. That's where ZenERP comes in. At ZenERP, we've built ZenERP, a powerful and flexible solution tailored for Ethiopian and African businesses. ZenERP helps you manage from HR and payroll, employee data, salaries, tax compliance, benefits. From stock and procurement, track inventory, suppliers, and purchase orders. From finance, budgeting, invoices, and expense management. From shareholder management, track investments and distributions. All in one integrated system, designed to fit the local business environment. What makes ZenERP different? Local expertise, built in Ethiopia for Ethiopian businesses. Customization, tailored to your company's exact needs. Scalability, whether you're a startup or a large enterprise, ZenERP grows with you. Integration, connects with your existing systems and digital channels. Support and training. Our team ensures smooth adoption and ongoing success. Before ZenERP, you may struggle with manual payroll, stock shortages, and poor financial visibility. After adopting ZenERP, everything is automated, salaries processed correctly, inventory updated instantly, and management can make data-driven decisions in real time. At ZenERP, we believe technology is the backbone of growth. With ZenERP, we're helping businesses achieve efficiency, transparency, and success. Do you want to transform your business? Contact us today or visit ZenERP.com. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more insights on digital transformation in Ethiopia.